This is why you need to write that book. Writing a book is not just about putting words on paper. It's about sharing a piece of your soul with the world. Your unique experiences, thoughts, and imagination can inspire, educate, and entertain others. Imagine the impact your story could have on someone who needs to hear it. Whether it's a novel, a memoir, or a self-help guide, your book has the potential to change lives. So, let's dive into the process of making that dream a reality. Spoiler: the world needs your story. Think about the books that have influenced you. They were written by people who took the leap and shared their stories. Now, it's your turn. Your story matters, and it deserves to be told. Don't let self-doubt hold you back. Embrace the journey of writing and let your voice be heard. First up, grab a notebook or open a blank document. Step 1. Brainstorm. This is where the magic begins. Allow your mind to wander and explore different ideas. Don't censor yourself. Let your creativity flow freely. Write down everything that comes to mind, no matter how silly or far-fetched it may seem. This is your creative playground, so have fun with it. Jot down all your ideas, good, bad, or wacky. The goal here is to get everything out of your head and onto paper. You might be surprised at the gems you uncover during this process. Sometimes, the most unexpected ideas turn out to be the most brilliant. So, let your imagination run wild and capture every thought. Just get them out of your head. Next, create an outline. An outline serves as the backbone of your book. It helps you organize your thoughts and gives you a clear roadmap to follow. Start by identifying the main themes or chapters of your book. Then, break each chapter down into smaller sections or key points. This will make the writing process much more manageable. Think of it as your book's roadmap. Just like a roadmap guides you on a journey, your outline will guide you through the writing process. It doesn't have to be perfect or set in stone. It's a flexible tool that you can adjust as you go. The important thing is to have a clear direction and a sense of structure. It doesn't have to be perfect, just a guide to keep you on track. Remember, your outline is a living document. As you write, you may discover new ideas or decide to change the order of your chapters. That's perfectly okay. The outline is there to support you, not to constrain you. Use it as a guide, but don't be afraid to deviate from it if inspiration strikes. Now, set a daily word goal. Consistency is key when it comes to writing a book. Setting a daily word goal helps you stay on track and makes the task less overwhelming. Start with a realistic goal that fits your schedule. It could be 250 words, 500 words, or even 1,000 words a day. The important thing is to make writing a daily habit. Even 250 words a day can add up fast. Think about it. If you write 250 words a day, you'll have written 7,500 words in a month. In just a few months, you'll have a substantial portion of your book completed. The key is to keep moving forward, even if it's just a little bit each day. Progress is progress, no matter how small. Remember, it's like eating an elephant, one bite at a time. Writing a book can seem like a daunting task, but breaking it down into smaller, manageable chunks makes it much more achievable. Focus on one chapter, one section, or even one paragraph at a time. Celebrate each milestone along the way, no matter how small. Every word you write brings you one step closer to your goal. Feeling stuck? Try writing sprints. Set a timer for 10 minutes and write non-stop. Writing sprints are a great way to overcome writer's block and boost your productivity. The idea is to write as much as you can within a set time frame without worrying about grammar, spelling, or punctuation. Just let the words flow and see where they take you. You might be surprised at how much you can accomplish in a short burst of focused writing. You'll be amazed at what you can accomplish. Writing sprints can help you tap into your creative energy and get the words flowing. They can also be a fun and exciting way to challenge yourself. Try incorporating writing sprints into your daily routine and see how they can transform your writing process. Finally, don't be afraid to revise. Revision is an essential part of the writing process. It's where you refine your ideas, improve your writing, and make your book the best it can be. Embrace the opportunity to revisit your work with fresh eyes and make necessary changes. Remember, even the most successful authors go through multiple rounds of revisions. Editing is where the magic happens. This is where you polish your prose, tighten your narrative, and ensure your book is clear and engaging. Take your time with this stage and don't rush it. Consider seeking feedback from trusted friends, family members, or writing groups. Constructive criticism can help you see your work from a different perspective and make valuable improvements. Your first draft is just the beginning. Think of it as the foundation upon which you'll build your final masterpiece. Don't be discouraged if your first draft isn't perfect. It's not supposed to be. The goal is to get your ideas down on paper. You can always refine and improve them later. Trust the process and keep pushing forward. There you have it. Simple steps to kickstart your book writing journey. Writing a book is a marathon, not a sprint. It requires dedication, perseverance, and a willingness to learn and grow. But with each step you take, you'll get closer to achieving your dream. So, take a deep breath, believe in yourself, and start writing. The world is waiting for your story. Now, get writing. The world is waiting for your story. Your words have the power to inspire, uplift, and make a difference. Don't let fear or self-doubt hold you back. Embrace the journey of writing and let your voice be heard. You have a story to tell, and the world is ready to listen. So, pick up that pen or open that laptop and start writing today. Your book is waiting to be written, and your readers are waiting to be inspired.